So I just need to put this on and enable head tracking, right? No. Oh my god, this is unreal, guys. So guys, Yamaha is back with a brand new wireless headphones, and this is something exclusive, guys. Like, this is one of the most expensive wireless headphones I have reviewed on my channel. Costs almost 35,000 rupees. You people might be like, what? Why is it so expensive? Well, that is what I'll tell you in this video. So it's like a premium category wireless headphones from the brand, and the model is YHL700A. And just like any other prior premium wireless headphones, this one also has like active noise cancellation, ambient mode is also there, and a lot of other stuff. But the thing that makes it, special compared to the rest of the competition is it introduces something known as 3D sound feel with head tracking technology. And let me tell you, this is like really phenomenal, guys, like completely mind blowing. And I'll tell you how it works and what it actually does in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing and check out the headset. So Yamaha's new headphones come in this sort of box packaging. Premium quality feel, guys. Exquisite, I can say. You've got the Yamaha branding, a picture of the product on the front, and they're available only in one color, I believe, which is black, and the model is YHL700A. These headphones have some pretty awesome features, like they support high-res audio, Qualcomm's aptX adaptive codec, active noise cancellation is there, ambient mode, and that special 3D sound mode which I was talking about. Anyways, let's quickly unbox and check out the product. The outer cover slides out like this, and there's one more box on the inside with a beautiful artwork on it and says bringing you closer to the artist. Nice, I love the presentation here. So at the top there's an instruction guide on how to use it. Just make sure to read this when you have time. And moving on, you get a free carry case in the box for the headphones, and looks like the headphones are nicely packed inside this. Quality of the case looks good. It's a hard shell case with a soft touch feel on the outside. So we'll just come back to this in a moment. And lastly, on the bottom of the package, you've got some more paperwork. And that is it, guys. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product. Our all new headphones from Yamaha, the L700A. Holy moly, just look at these headphones! Sheesh, I've never seen a design like this before. They've got a unique squarish form factor ear cups and feel quite premium from the looks. And along with the headphones, you also get some accessories like there's a flight adapter, Type-C cable for charging, and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable, so you can even use it in wired mode. That's it. Now let's finally check out the headset. I've told you right at the beginning, they are a premium category closed back over the ear wireless headphones. And talking about the design, it's got this beautiful two-tone design that gives you a sort of luxury feel, and Yamaha has given a lot of attention to the detail. Half of the ear cups are covered in a mesh fabric like material, while the lower half is covered in leather and features integrated physical buttons on it. These are your media controls, and quality of the buttons is also nice. And not to miss out that metal Yamaha logo on both the sides. Given a closer look, you've got some more buttons below that. There's a 3D sound mode toggle, a power button, status LED indicator, and a Type-C port for charging. And on the other ear cup, you just have a 3.5mm aux port. So that's it, our complete overview on the design and the build quality part. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using these headphones for the last couple of days, and now I'll be sharing like my complete review and feedback on this product. First, let's talk about the comfort and the fit. The L700A offer like a snug fit. They fit nicely over my head, grip is also good, and overall comfort was pretty nice. So initially, by looking at the design, it's got like a squarish form factor ear cups, right? Unlike the traditional oval shaped ear cups, I was a bit skeptical like how the comfort would be, how the fit would be, but nothing like that. The fit was very nice and felt quite comfortable. And also, I have to mention that these headphones are slightly on the heavier side, guys. They weigh almost like 330 grams. But thankfully, because of the whole design and the extra cushioning and padding on the headband and the ear cups, I didn't actually feel any sort of stress or strain on my head. So that is one good thing. The overall fabric material over here, the comfort and the cushioning over here is pretty nice and soft. And also the ear cups material is pretty nice, guys. The ear cups have a soft and spongy cushion that feel very soft and very relaxing when you use it. And they're covered in like an artificial leather material. So quality of the material used is also pretty nice. Overall, very comfortable experience. headphones, guys. And if you talk about the isolation, well, noise isolation was pretty good. And apart from that, they do support ANC, right? So we'll be talking about the ANC performance also in a moment. But before going there, let's talk about the main part, guys. Like, how is the audio quality? And let me tell you, I was blown away by the audio performance on this thing. The L700A feature 40 drivers on board, and quality of the audio and sound it was producing was just like awesome. That is what I can say. See, let me tell you, the drivers on board produce crystal clear sound and have like a flat EQ profile, guys, specially tuned for audiophiles. So audiophiles are gonna love this thing. Mids were crisp and clear with good amount of detail. You could easily hear and understand all sorts of dialogues, no matter what sort of content you're playing, either it be music or you're watching two movies. Everything was like crystal clear and audible. And if you talk about the treble quality was also very good. It was producing like smooth treble that was soothing to your ears and with very minimum harshness also. And coming to the bass was also nice. Now I've told you, right, they have like a flat EQ profile, so bass was not like super punchy or anything. It was like producing right amount of bass, leading to an overall balanced audio experience. Now that is what I can say. On the overall, guys, I have to say the headphones do justify the price tag. Like seriously, one of the best sounding headphones I've used till now. Talking about the THD, the distortion was also very minimum, even up to 95% volume level, and the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. In fact, I couldn't actually go beyond like 75%, guys. It was more than enough. And best part is these headphones also support Qualcomm's aptX HD and aptX adaptive audio codecs also, guys. So especially when you're listening to audio songs or anything from streaming services like maybe Spotify or Ghana at very high profile now, you can enjoy excellent quality sound on these headphones. So that was what I felt about the audio. And keeping that aside, guys, I've told you, right, these headphones come with like unique technologies on board. So let's quickly talk about that. First of all, let's talk about the ANC, guys. So that is like one of its primary feature. The L700A do feature active noise cancellation, but let me tell you, a lot of headphones feature active noise cancellation. But thing is, on most of the budget or mid-range category headphones now, whenever you enable ANC, actually impacts the audio performance. But that is not the case over here, because on these headphones, you've got something known as advanced ANC feature. That means it smartly filters out the unnecessary background noises and low frequency sounds without actually disturbing the main audio signal. So you get to experience like crystal clear audio with the same performance, guys. So that is the special thing over here. And let me tell you, ANC on these headphones was working very well. It was clearing out a lot of unnecessary low frequency sounds, especially like low frequency rumbles of construction sounds happening in your neighborhood, or maybe like it was easily blocking out low frequency fan noise and maybe like vacuum noise, now all these sort of stuff. And I was quite happy with the ANC performance on it. And apart from that, you do have ambient mode also, guys, and this ambient mode lets you hear like what is actually happening in your surroundings. Now there might be a lot of scenarios. For example, you might be traveling and you might be at an airport or maybe like a railway station, and over there when you're wearing these headphones, you probably don't want to miss any sort of important announcements. And in these places now, you can simply enable ambient mode to listen to whatever is happening in your surrounding in the background, guys, so you don't miss out any sort of important announcements. So this feature is also working well. Now comes the best part, guys. I've told you these headphones support something known as 3D sound field and head tracking, right? Again, don't confuse this with that 7.1 sound effects found on cheap budget category headphones. No, this is completely different. And let me tell you, what this feature does is when you enable it, it converts a simple two-dimensional audio into a multi-channel three-dimensional sound. The whole spaciousness, sound stage, everything is like vastly expanded. And when I was watching movies or any sort of content, maybe on Netflix, the whole experience was awesome, guys. Like for example, I could easily identify the direction from where the sound was coming. For example, whether the audio source were in front of me or left or right or behind me, I could easily locate it, and it took my cinema watching experience to the next level. It was like literally home theater on your headphones. And along with that, I've told you it also has head tracking technology, right? Now this was also like something crazy. See, for example, you're watching a movie on your phone or maybe on a TV screen that is in front of you. And when you enable this feature and you move your head either to the right or left, this feature will automatically shift the audio source in that particular direction only. So you will feel that the audio is over there. For example, if you rotate your head to this, you can literally feel the audio shifting to the TV screen. the same thing in the opposite direction, guys, and this literally blew my mind. I was like blown away by this effect. I've never seen this on any other headphones, guys. So Yamaha has done a great job on this thing. I don't know if you guys got what I wanted to say, but you'll actually have to listen to this and you experience this feature to actually know what I'm talking about. And along with that, it also supports listening optimizer and advanced listening care. So when you enable these features now, listening optimizer will actually utilize like a onboard in-ear microphone, and this is used to measure all sorts of seals and air leakages from your ear. Now that is because everybody has like a different shape and size of the ear, right? So based on that, it will like measure and optimize the whole music playback experience for you in a customized way, so that you will get to experience the music the way it was supposed to be. And one more thing I have to mention is these headphones were like surprisingly good for gaming, and that is because it supports Qualcomm's aptX adaptive codec, guys. And in this mode now, the latency can go down as low as 80 milliseconds. So you'll have a great time playing games like PUBG, BGMI, and Fortnite and these sort of stuff. And let me tell you, the whole experience of gaming was also like pretty awesome, especially thanks to that 3D sound field mode, because you have that vast sound stage, right? You could easily identify things like enemy footsteps or maybe like gun firing directions from which direction it was coming, and you could easily locate the enemy position. So I had a great experience gaming on these headphones as well. And we're almost coming to an end, right? So let me tell you about the battery life of these headphones. And let me tell you, battery life was quite impressive on these headphones. But again, this is something that might completely depending on how you use them. For example, when I was using these headphones with active noise cancellation on and with the volume level set to around like 65 to 70% volume, I was getting around like 30 to 32 hours of battery life, guys. This is what my personal experience is. But when I used the 3D sound field mode along with ANC, battery life was like quite drastically reduced. I only got around like 10 to 12 hours of battery life. So you'll have to keep in mind, because this completely depends on how you use the headphones. By the way, let me also give you a quick look at the headphones app that you can install on your phone. It's called the Headphones Controller and is a very simple to use app which shows you a lot of things on it. Like it shows you headphones battery level, firmware version. You can easily toggle technologies like 3D sound field with head tracking, adjust the type of surround sound you want to experience on the headphones, enable disable ANC, ambient mode, and all the other technologies which I spoke of. Well, that's it, my video on Yamaha's newest wireless ANC headphones, the L700A. Amazing headphones with amazing features, guys. Great sound, love the ANC performance, and especially the 3D sound field with head tracking technology. That was the cherry on the cake for me. They cost around 35,000 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to learn something new today. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.